What's going on YouTube, GeoSnow right here. So in today's video we're going to discuss about Libertas that has been released in beta, which is a jailbreak detection bypass for games like Fortnite and Pokemon Go and so on, and applications like PayPal and bank apps and whatever other application uses jailbreak detection. So if you remember, I made a video like 20 days ago about this being created and about this being in the works, and then yesterday Umang, the creator of this, posted this in here on Twitter, quote, "Since I'm working on a new iOS vulnerability I've just stumbled across, I will not be working on Libertas until September. If you're interested in the last beta release, you can get it below. Be aware that it hooks into UIKit and can break stuff," and he posts a link for a deb file. Also, he followed up with this, quote, "Issues with Libertas, crashes, requests to support apps, etc. can be reported at this GitHub link in here. I'll try to set apart some time to fix them, but don't expect too much activity until September." And he posted this link in here where you can pretty much report your issues. Now, I have taken a look at the deb file in here that it comes with, and I have tried to extract it, done a little bit of reverse engineering, and yes, it looks okay, but should you use it? Well, a lot of people are saying that for some applications it doesn't work, for some applications it does work, and so on. But as far as I know, at least for the moment, Fortnite is no longer doing jailbreak detection for some bizarre reason. At least that's what some people are telling me in here. So yeah, if you want to use Fortnite and you're jailbroken, you may be able to do it right now because they're no longer doing jailbreak detection for the moment. However, this may be a trick. They might not be doing jailbreak detection, but they may detect it in the background and do a massive ban, so be very careful out there. Anyways, this application is still in the works. I would not use this application on my particular daily driver, and I would definitely not use it on my only device if I only had one device jailbroken. Why? Because it's not a final product. This is not a polished end product. It's not ready for the prime time. This is more of a beta, which may work for some applications, but definitely doesn't work for other applications, and it hooks into the UIKit, which says in here that can break stuff. So in my opinion, if you really want jailbreak detection for various applications, you may give it a shot, but I would definitely recommend you to wait until September for Umang to sort everything out and to start working again seriously on the application. Now, by taking a look at the application, I pretty much managed to reverse engineer some parts of it. I'm not very good at reverse engineering for the moment, but anyways, I managed to find some interesting things in there. It does verify some blocked paths. It does check for Cydia URL, it does check for checks against Cydia itself, and it does seem to do its job, but of course not all applications work the same, and since this is a beta, you shouldn't expect all the applications to work. In fact, if you take a look in here on the issues page, there are some applications that don't work with this. For example, Pokemon Go crashes on launch, there are other bank applications that are not working, and so on. So in my opinion, more work has to be done for this application to be worth installing. Umang is a very good developer. He helped a lot with the Electra Jailbreak and of course with the APFS remount, but this is not a polished product that I would recommend. So if you want to try it on a secondary device, keep in mind that this is a beta and may or may not work for your desired application, but I wouldn't recommend trying it on your main device. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated. We'll keep you updated with anything that's going on in the jailbreak community. I'm GeoSnow. Until the next time, peace out.